PayWow provides top-notch security features to make sure your information is always protected. One feature that can help further secure your account is multi-factor authentication. With this great feature, you'll be prompted to enter one-time codes in addition to your password every time you log in. Here's how it works. From your dashboard, click on the account symbol and then click on the My Account button. Click Two-Factor Authentication. There are two options available. By default, PayWow will send you a text with a single-use code every time you log in. Or you can use an authenticator app, such as Google, Microsoft, or AWS Authenticator. To set up these apps, scan the provided QR code in PayWow with the app, and then provide the 6-digit PIN from the app for verification. The app will then provide you with unique codes for every login. This method is recommended for easier and faster logins. Plus, you won't have any SMS fees. Learn more today at paywow.com.